welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi celebrity stories, and guys namhlanje ke sikhuluma ke ngestory ke selska lasi uLachonco. Niyazi guys ukuthi unengane ke nobaba ke uJacob Zuma. So what she did ukuthi ke uthi kade kune the spotlight day at school, so sometimes ezikoleni bayeba invite ukuthi the parents bafike esikoleni. Kwezinye inkolo thola ukuthi bacela obaba ukuthi bafike esikoleni, and ingane sometimes uthola ukuthi enye inawo baba, so it kind of, you know, create something in their heart ukuthi I don't have a father, ngazocela umalume sometimes. So ulasike guys upostile ke wathi iqiniso olenzele umfana wakho Jinga ngiyabonga. Uyabonga kusho ukuthi ubaba Jacob Zuma ke nethimba lakhe bavele bahamba ke bayo supporta ke uSaka. Like that was beautiful, and nami ngiyambongisa shemo ulase. Waphinda futhi waposta wathi waposta ke wathi lo mfanekiso uyisikhumbuzo sokuthi ngiqhubeke ngimthandazele lo mntwana, ngingabali ngingayeki bese ngilinda ngoba isikhathi saNkulunkulu asigeje. Ngifisa ukuyivula inhliziyo kaSakha ngibone injabulo kuyo, yabo. Waphinda futhi waposta ke no Duduzane wathi may your words you have spoken, big brother, be engraved in his ears. Waze wakhuluma kahle, ngiyambongela and for coming through. If you wondering uSakha unjani ebusweni mubuke la. So ke guys, just saying ukuthi ke indodana yakhe ibukeka njengo Duduzane Zuma, ifana naye, because akaze ke aze ayiveze la enkundleni ke zokuxhumana. She's been protecting uSakhumzi. But guys, I just saw how people were responding on social media, besho ukuthi akukho right here, ujabulele uZuma wathintini. Like into eziningi nje benga understand ukuthi kanti zihlangana kanjani, because like really as much as abantu beabazali and bengasekho in good terms, but umntwana must not suffer because of that. Ubaba uZuma uyingane ubaba uyingane kaLasi, and mangabe khona izinto ezimdingayo ukuthi ke ahambe aye esikoleni ayo support indodana yakhe. Like ukubheka futhi ukuthi ubaba umuntu obhizi kangakanani. I don't see anything wrong ekutheni ambonge uLasi ukuthi ke wenza iqiniso. Guys, you know, I think maybe I'm speaking from the point of understanding the absent father in a child's life, ukuthi ke ibhlungu kanjani ukuthi creator in emqondweni. So as much as uLasi maybe abantu abaningi bembona as if usamfuna uZuma kwathintini, but I'm with her on this one ukuthi really she must make sure ukuthi ke umntwana uba na relationship nobaba wakhe, futhi umntwana uzizwa ethandwa ubaba wakhe, because again ingane kaLasi umfana, and the relationship phakathi komfana nobaba, it's very very important. So yeah, that was beautiful for me. It was beautiful, and no Duduzane guys, he really came naye to support ubaba wakhe no bhuti wakhe omncane, and he spoke the words okuhlakanipha to him, and she was just appreciating that. And I don't know, I don't see what why people were so negative about this post. I don't know guys, but yeah man, I'm so happy for the young man. That brings us to the end of this video. Do comment below and share your opinion. Bye.